Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. We'll be heading into Publix today. The date is July the 6th, 2022. Guys, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell to all. Also, please join me on Instagram and my Facebook group, all called Praising and Saving, to know when my visual breakdowns are out. Also, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off or just pull it up on your phone in the store. Let's go ahead and get started with our first deal, which is going to be on this Swanson's broth. Guys, there's all kinds of different broths, whether you want the chicken broth or the beef broth, but all of them are on sale. Even the organic broths are on sale, and the chicken stock and the beef stock are on sale as well. But a family favorite for us is this Swanson's chicken broth. So I'm going to stock up on this. And as you can see, there's other people that were stocking up as well. I met a lady in the store and I kind of showed her how this worked and introduced myself. And she stocked up on a lot of chicken broth too. So these are a no coupons needed deal. They're going to be just $1.46 each. So there's $2.92, but they're BOGO. So that makes them $1.46 each. No coupons needed on this, and I went ahead and picked up 5 because I know this is a shelf-stable item and that we can use these to come. Now, the next thing I got was these old El Paso kits. Now, it's only on the kits. It's not going to be just on the boxes with just the shells on it, and there's tons of different kits. I didn't realize how many different kits old El Paso made, like the enchilada ones or the fajita ones, soft taco. But the same lady who I was helping with the chicken broth also was appreciative because I showed her this deal as well. So these old El Paso kits, the cheapest one I got was the hard shell crunchy one, and they're usually $3.66 each. But with the BOGO, I was able to pick them up at $1.83 each. This is a no coupons needed deal as well. So I went ahead and stocked up and picked up 5 boxes of these. Might as well because I haven't seen this on sale in quite some time. So I was really excited about this soft scrub deal. 2 for $5, so it's going to be $2.50. So I'm going to use this $1 off coupon, right? So that will make it just $1.50. However, I come over here just to check the deal out to get these for $1.50, and there are these clearance ones. These clearance ones are the multi-surface, no rinse. So this looks great. I could use this on the countertops at home. So this is going to be $1.79. Using that $1 coupon makes it just 79 cents per. That's an even better deal. So check at your store. You never know if you guys have that or not, but that's on the multi-surface, no rinse. It's like a gray silver bottle, making these just 79 cents each. So we have a really great deal on the Toastiness pizza rolls. Great summertime, a little quick meal for the kids at lunch. These are usually $5.76 each, but they're BOGO, so they'll be $2.88 each. And then we have a 75-cent digital coupon that will come off at the register, making each bag just $2.13. So pretty great deal from $5.76 all the way down to $2.13. Thumbs up. All right, we have a really good deal on these Wonder hot dog buns or the Wonder hamburger buns. And this is also like one of those stock up prices. So if you're trying to figure out what to make this week, you can pick up these at least 5 times. Move out the way. Guys, move out the way for me. So these are usually $3.49 each, but they're on sale, buy one get one free, so they're going to be $1.75. There is a 25-cent IBOTTA that can be done up to 5 times, bringing these down to $1.50 per bag. I'm actually going to pick up a pack of the hot dog buns and a pack of the hamburger buns using that IBOTTA rebate of 25 cents per. So pretty great deal, $1.50. And I'm going to look really quick and see if it's cheaper than the Publix brand. It is. So those are $1.66. The next deal we have is on this Sara Lee bread. These are buy one get one free, so they're usually $3.49. They're going to be just $1.75 with the BOGO. We also have that $1 coupon that we got. We actually got this recently. This is one of those donation flyers I got at the register. Oh no! The dinosaur gonna get me. So using that $1 off coupon is going to make a loaf of bread just 75 cents per loaf of bread, That's an amazing deal and a lot cheaper than the Publix brand. So 75 cents for a loaf of Sara Lee bread. Definitely picking this up. The next thing we're getting are these Ballpark hot dogs. They are usually $6, but they are buy one, get one free. So they're just going to be $3 each. And I'm definitely going to pick these up to go with the, what did I get? The Wonder Bread hot dog buns for our dinner this week. So yeah, $3 on some hot dogs, no coupons needed.
My name is Hottie Doggy.
Hottie Doggy. You're so silly.
My eyes are non-existent, but they're big ones.
They're big eyes. So we are working on some dinners for our family today, and the shrimp are $13.49. They're £1.50, the large shrimp. So I'm going to pick those up, and also they've got them just £1 if you don't want these like this that are in the case like that. They're $8.99. But we're going to go ahead and pick up the frozen one in the bag. So that's £1.50 for $13.49. They also have the medium ones. They're $11.99, but I'm getting the big ones. So those are the best deals that I found so far at Publix this week. I will be going back to get another round later on this week. Guys, please make sure you check out that printable breakdown in the description box. It is so helpful. You can either print it off or you can just pull it up on your phone in the store instead of writing down all these great deals. So I'll see you next time, either in the second round of Publix videos or probably this weekend for our Walmart weekend.